Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the user interface assembly in your electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread the upper screws securing the panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Remove the 4 control knobs. Unthread the screws securing the control knob bezels and surface element switches. Remove all of the switches from the control panel. Lift the 2 indicator lights off of the jewels. Disconnect the ribbon connector from the control board. Now unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the board from the user interface assembly. You can now unthread the screws securing the interface assembly to the control panel. Make sure the loose screws don't drop down behind the lower rear access panel. Detach the old assembly. Install the new user interface assembly by aligning the upper tabs with the notches at the top of the control panel. Hold the assembly in place as you thread and tighten the mounting screws. Realign the control board and secure it with the screws. Connect the new ribbon connector to the board. Align the indicator lights on the jewels and snap them into place. Install the switches by first inserting a screw through the top hole of each control knob bezel and align each bezel on the control panel. Position the switch, then thread and tighten the top screw. Thread and tighten the bottom screw. Repeat to install all of the switches. Replace the control knobs on the switch stems. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the control board. Align the panel and replace the upper screws. Realign the brace, then thread the lower screws. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.